Hello, my dear friend. Today we are going to make a school bag. So, let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see a beautiful school bag right here. All we have to do is follow the steps and make our very own school bag. To start with, let's make this square as all the four sides are equal. This looks great. Once we are done with that, let's make this line right here. Yes, a standing line like this, which is approximately 1 centimeter. Then let's join it with a sleeping line. After that, we are going to make a curve right here on the top. So, can we do this together? This looks lovely. Let's make the handle now. And then the inside part where there is a zip. Yes, this is one of the compartments of our school bag. Can we make a sleeping line over here and then the zip? This looks lovely. Let's make a rectangle right here. And then we will make the handle of it. Let's make this together. At first, we are going to draw a very light drawing, as if we make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. After that, we are going to make this a little darker. This looks amazing. Now it's time for us to sketch it. So let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching this. Make this curve very slowly and nicely. And after that, let's make these lines and do the entire thing in a similar way. This looks beautiful, isn't it? That's lovely. And look, our bag is ready. We can start coloring this now. Let's take our yellow color and start coloring this strap. After that, let's use the same yellow color for the bottom part right here. Yes, we will do the outline first and then color inside only in one direction. Make sure you do not keep any white spaces. This is amazing. Let's take a dark orange color and do the top part of this. And after that, let's do the zip with the same color. And then the bag strap with the same color and the handle as well. Let's do this rectangle with this color as well. Do the outline and then color inside. This is beautiful. Let's take our blue color and color the rest of the parts. Yes, we will go very slow while coloring this. Again, we will do the outline of the entire body of our school bag and then start coloring inside. Make sure you do an outline for this pouch section as well. It is going to make our drawing look neat and clean. Also, the color won't go inside that section. This is lovely. Let's color the top part now. Yes, we will press the color hard on top of the paper so that it is easier for us to color and we do not see any white spaces. And look, our bag is ready.